Hi, my name is Sheila. I am 50 years old. I'm from Philippines. I am a single. My highest education attainment is college graduate. My expertise are child care and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 7 years. I currently serve elderly, doing all household cleaning, laundering, ironing, and marketing. And I am willing to take care of pets. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid, promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Looking forward to work with you. Bye.